graphics, whatever it has, it also comes with like many bugs. Okay, it also comes with very slow performance because it actually requires many high requirements of thing to be done. Okay, that is the reason I always go for the legacy version. Okay, as you can see on the screen right now, uh, this is the legacy version that I'm talking about. Okay, so we need to download this one from here. You don't have to change this particular part. You have to just select the Windows 7 and newer version. You can download on it here. Okay. Whenever you click on here, it will get downloaded and you can download from the end, verify whatever it is. 112 MB of file had been downloaded in your computer. Now you can just open this particular thing. Okay. As you can see on my screen, I hope it is visible. Is it visible, Bacha? What it is showing? Is it showing any Arduino setup? Can you see this particular window?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay. Can you see a window on my screen that is called as Arduino version 1.8.19 is already installed and must be uninstalled before install this version? Is it showing? Guys, I'll say something. Is it showing this particular thing? Hello, guys, I'll say something. Are you able to see this window that I'm moving? People are there in the meeting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I already have this particular version. Then also I will what I will do, I'll just uninstall my the previous version. I will install this particular version now. Again, uninstalled. And I'm gonna install it again. Okay. Okay. Click on OK. Close the thing. I agree. Next. Install. And it will extract all your files and it will show like this. After installing the part, we can go to the home screen. Okay. Right now it is not installed yet. It is taking a little time. Wait for it. Yeah, I can close the window now. Okay, now we can go to the one that we have installed here. This is the one. Okay, you can open this particular part and okay, it is already opening a predefined code that we don't need. We need this code, the blank one. Okay, in this particular part, if you see properly, we have already a basic code that is called as void setup. We have a basic code that is called as void loop. Am I right, Vacha? Hello, guys, are there?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
what is the meaning of this void setup? Anybody has an idea of it? What do you mean by void setup? Anybody? Hello. Void setup is you can say that it's an initialization. Okay, you actually initialize something. Okay, and whatever starting point of anything, you will be writing on the void setup. If suppose you're initializing a LCD, if you're initializing a motor, if you're initializing anything, it will be coming on the void setup. And every fixed part of the code, okay, the stationary part of the function or action will be coming on the setup part. Did you got it? Tell me yes or no. Susan Mukesh, are you there? Now let's talk about what do you say? With the void loop. Anybody knows about what is the meaning of the void loop? Any idea? Any idea about void loop? Do anybody knows about it? See, void loop is that's a continuous function. Okay, what is that? It is. It is the continuous function. In the continuous function, what happens actually? It suppose you're like what do you say? You're riding a bike, okay, in which you try to change your gear from first gear to the second gear, and then you change second gear to the third gear, fourth, fifth, and then you come back again. You do that to the first one, and then sorry, you come back to the first gear, okay, from four to third to one, and then again you go to the third gear, and then again you go to the second gear. That kind of functions will be counted as in a loop. Okay, that will be acting like a circular motion. Okay, that is called as a loop. Okay, I hope you understand it. So you can on the void setup, you're just putting a key on the bike and you're starting the engine. Okay, that is a stationary part. That actually not gonna change. It's gonna be always fix if we talk about like this. Okay, so this is what exactly the predefined function is already there whenever you open the Arduino and any Tinkercad or Walkbee type of project. What do you say, like platform? These are the predefined function will not be replaced. Okay, and this is very important. The reason is I'll tell you, like in every functions the void setup and void loops are important that you have to write down. Now there is something that is called as file section. Okay, let's talk about file section here. There's something that is called as new sketchbook. What do you mean by sketchbook, bacha? Any idea? Anybody knows what do you mean by sketchbook? Do you remember, like when we were small, we were trying to sketch or we were trying to draw something on the book or anywhere? We usually draw one sketch on the book on the page, and then we go to the another page. In the same way, we in this particular computer language, you create one code and then you jump back to the another one. Okay, that is what it is called as sketchbook. Did you got it? Did you understood? So whatever
Yes, sir.
projects that you created, it will be shown on the sketchbook. So these are the projects that I have created. For you, it will be empty if you have downloaded first time. Otherwise, it will be showing like this. Okay. Now, if I just go to the example section here, you'll able to see built-in libraries or examples. What is the more basic function that you need to refer? You can go to the Blix and the famous code that is called as Blink. In this particular thing, we this gray part is totally not required. Okay. The only part that is required you can see on the screen right now. It is a void setup in the void loop in which we have defined the pin and also we have written how the LED will be working. Am I right? Tell me yes or no, bacha. Did you got it? It's a very simple code, right? Okay, understood. So this is what exactly it gonna be. Okay. Now, if we just talk about more on the example part, we just go down a little bit more. We're able to find something that is called as example from custom libraries. So whatever libraries you create or you install in the computer, it will be shown over here. You can show, you can have this kind of what do you say, like search for the library that you need, what you need to be included and all. So if you don't have this kind of thing, that means like you're not having any kind of what do you say, like custom library in your computer. Okay, I hope you're understanding. Now let's talk about something that is called as preference. Okay, go to the file. You will able to see one window that is called as preference. Now, what is a preference, everyone? Let's click on here. So if I just open it, it will open a window for me, and this everything will be same. And only the thing is different that is called as additional board manager URL. Okay, what is that exactly? So as I told you, like, see, it's about what do you say? Like, it's a Arduino software. Okay, what is that exactly? It's a Arduino software. But Arduino also allow other microcontroller to use their software. So they have this kind of like libraries. Okay, board manager libraries. I hope you're understanding. That we need to install. And for that, if you see on the column that is called as an additional board manager, I'll just show you. This is the additional board manager. Okay. So these are the things that we need to do. Now for you, this will be empty. This space will be empty. Am I right, Bacha? Guys, you dare say something else or not? Hello. Did you understood? Did you got it? Say yes or no. So for that particular thing, we can get the link. Okay, I'll send you the link on the chat meeting. So we're gonna have this particular link. Uh, I'm gonna give this link on the meeting chat box, and let's have it on the, yeah. So you have to paste this link on this. Okay, on the additional board manager URL. Paste it like this, and go for click on OK. Go to the tools, search for board, and search for board manager. It will take a little time. You need to go to that and you need to search for ESP32. You don't have to install the Arduino ESP32 board. You have to install the Arduino ESP32 board by this one. Okay, this company. So this that will be a latest version that you can install. I do also have the recommendation, but I will do it later on. Okay. So whenever I get free time. So yeah, that is what exactly you need to install. You don't have to install this one. You have to install this. It will take a little several time, like something around what do you say, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, maybe more than that. So you need to install it later on, not now. Okay, and after installing that, we can go to the ESP8266. Are you getting what I'm saying? Did you got it? Did you understood? Tell me yes or no. Guys, are there in the meeting or not? Should I remove you? People, speak up. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others?
Yes.
Perfect. ठीक है. Okay, so perfect. So after installing the ESP8266 here, we can close this particular tab. Now let's proceed with the another thing that is called as we can just like close this topic. Okay, yeah. We can go to the sketch part now. Now I just want to understand what do you mean by verify, Bacha?
Sir.
Okay. Akhilan, Arun, Kaveen, Priya, Rachit, Rakshana.
I'm audible. हेलो
Akash, you mute yourself. That is fine.
वो एक्चुअली पता नहीं आवाज नहीं जा रही थी
Akash, mute yourself. Mute yourself. That is fine. Not you, not you. I was talking to another people. Arun, Kaveen, Priya, Rachit, Arun. Yeah. I hope you're understanding. Now let's go to the sketch point here. On the sketch point, if you see properly what happens, we have something that is called as verify and compile. What do you mean by that? Any idea? See, whenever we act, whenever we try to, what do you say, write anything, okay, it can be any programming language. Our software will be checking all the syntax error that you're having. Even if you write a different comma on a different place, it will give you error. So it will verify all the code that you have written. That is called as verify. Compiling means it will convert your programming language into the machine language. I hope you're understanding. Did you got it? Did you understood? That is called as
Yes,
compile.
sir.
In the same
Yes,
way,
sir.
what happens? Like, see, there is an option that is called as upload. Okay, so using upload option, you can upload the code to the board that you're having. So this is we are talking about a physical board. Okay, it can be Arduino Uno, it can be ESP32, yes, it can be ESP8266, anything. Okay, so that is the reason we use upload option. Now there is something that is called as libraries. What do you mean by libraries, everyone? Any idea?
It's called as include.
Uh, okay. No, that I know, like ads include, but more, can you tell me more about it? Like, what is the meaning of the library? Why we use it? Any idea?
The library
Library is
stores something. Scanner,
library.
printer.
It's a predefined code. What is that? It's a predefined code that actually helps you to reduce the lines of code that you're having and the complexity of the program. Am I right? That is called as library. So there are two methods that you can install the library in this particular thing. Okay. If you just go to the include library section, there is something that is called as manage library and adds a file. Let's go to the manage library here. Okay, a window will be pop up on my screen right now. Okay, it will take some time. It depends upon your internet and the what do you say, your computer specification. Mostly it depends upon your internet actually. So let's talk about here. We can just yeah, search for. Let's search for liquid crystal. Okay, I have written the name wrong. It take a lot of time. Responses are very low. Liquid crystal. Yeah, can you see that? See, it is already installed in mine. The liquid crystal. It is all by Arduino. It is installed. The liquid crystal by Adafruit is installed. So mostly, like you have to trust from the Adafruit, and you can trust from the Arduino. Arduino is an official website which actually makes the library, and Adafruit is also one of the official company which actually makes libraries for the components that they have. Okay, so you can use both of them. Nothing there is a difference in both the libraries. Okay, only the name is the different, and everything is same. Okay, so you can use any of them. Suppose the library that you are uh, trying to find out on this particular software, it is not there. Okay, like it is not available. So what you will be doing? What kind of things you will be doing? You gonna go to liquid crystal library GitHub. Always write down GitHub. Okay, you don't have to install from any other application, web application and all. Always do from the GitHub. I hope you're understanding. Are you getting me? Did you got it?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna go to this here. I'm gonna go to this code option and I'm gonna go to the download zip file. Now this file has been downloaded. I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna go to the sketch part, include library, add zip file, wherever I've stored it, download option, which file it was, liquid crystal. Okay, the name was liquid crystal. Where is this liquid? Yeah, here it is, liquid crystal master. Can you see that? And open it. Library name is already existed because we already have it. That is the reason it is showing like that. Otherwise, it would have shown library successfully, what do you say, integrated, are added in this particular software. Did you got it? Tell me yes or no. Say something else. Are there? So that is what exactly the meaning of the library and how you can install it. Okay. Now, in the upcoming session, we're going to talk about serial monitor and serial plotter. And then we're going to talk about the port section, how to select a port section. And then we're going to talk about the burn bootloader section. Okay. And then we're going to talk about the microcontrollers. Did you got it, bacha? Tell me yes or no. Any queries you have? Everyone, say something. I click on code and click on download. Arun, Akhila, Rachit, Rakshana, any doubts you have?
Yes, sir.
Any
No,
doubts?
sir. No, sir.
Are you sure? Okay, we're going to continue the rest of the things in the next session. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's it for today, everyone. We can end now. Take care. Good night.
Hello, sir.
Good night, everyone. Yeah, Acha, you're saying something?
Sir, can you help me about projects?
For
Hello,
which
sir.
project?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Which project you're talking about?
So, can you suggest some projects names about embedded system only?
Embedded systems.
Yeah, sir.
Acha, you were there in the embedded batch, right? Previously?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, I can. Like, I will give you the list. Send me hi on the WhatsApp. I'll give the list what you can do. You want to do hardware projects like real projects, or you want to do
I
like
want
on the
hardware
simulation base?
projects, sir. I
No,
will.
like physically, you're gonna do it.
Yeah, sir.
Like the physical component you're gonna take. You're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I'll suggest that. Give me like I'll drop a what do you say, document link on the WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any more queries? Okay. That's it, everyone. We can leave now. Take care. Good night.